check out this great assortment of artificial flowers. And I tell you guys, artificial greenery and plants have come a long way, I'm here in Central Texas, and we get some really hot summers, and especially the last couple of years we've had extreme drought, and trying to keep up with watering my plants, especially when I was traveling, just became unbearable last summer. So I thought for this year I would pick up some artificial greenery and put them in some pots. So there's one I've already gotten there, that's artificial. And I really like this kit, so I wanted to try a couple of kits from Amazon. And I really like this one. I'm going to use pool noodles. I think I need to go get another couple of them. And you just cut them down. Then you can put your greenery right in the noodles. And then arrange them however you want. And what I like about these is they're actual wire. So you can bend them. Let me see if I can do that one-handed. So you can bend them. See how that works? So you can shape and arrange your floral arrangement or your basket or whatever you're using however you want. Like I'm going to put some of these ivies kind of around the bottom. So let me get this kind of put together and we'll take a look at it. There. I like that. I like that you can arrange them however you want, and you can see the little styrofoam guys in there. And what I did is I actually poked them into the styrofoam so that I could use, I wouldn't have to go get any more pool noodles. And you can bend them however you want them. And I think that looks gorgeous. And super easy. I don't have to water them through the hot summer. They'll look beautiful. And I think I need a few more. Thanks for watching.